Hi, and welcome to another week of Family Bulletin. It's week 9, and as you can see, I highlighted the words because last week over here it's probably pretty hard to see. So yeah, and let's get started. Number 1 is worship. It should only take 5 minutes. Any worship song you like, only that's not like bad worship songs. And see what you can. Number 2 is see what you can make with a piece of paper. Only fold and rip. Don't use scissors and stuff. Be creative and see who can make the best one. Yeah, this is about 5 to 10 minutes long. So you take a piece of paper and then you fold it into like whatever thing you want. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty much it's pretty straightforward. And I'm pretty sure in the description on the last video I told you that this week we will be using paper a lot. Next is write your family's name on a piece of paper. Shuffle, then draw them out. Write something you appreciate to that person. Then take turns to share. Okay, so all you really need to do is like take some paper, rip them into like how much pieces your family like. Pretend your family has 7 people. Then you rip them into seven pieces, and then shuffle and draw the pieces out. Everybody take one. Wait, and then you write every family member's name on one piece of paper. Not on one piece of paper, on 7 of the pieces of paper. What I mean is each family member name, you write it on each piece of paper. Yeah. And then you shuffle and draw them out. And after that, pretend my mom is Daisy and I wrote it. I shuffle it, and then I drew Daisy out. Then you write something you appreciate to that person. Then take turns to share. That's about 10 minutes. Prayer request is 5 minutes. Closing prayer is 5 minutes. These is pretty common. These are pretty common. Not these is pretty common. I don't know how I thought of that, but yeah. Total time is like 30 to 35 minutes. And yeah, this is week 9. And yeah, I'm saying a lot of ands for some reason. Also, every day I'm pretty sure I have time to create one of these family time videos only on special days, like when we're on vacation and stuff. But I'll let you know when that's the time.